seriously, they have to take it seriously. What the fuck do they know? You could be crazy.
On one side, if they didn't do that, then they might get more of those jokes or threats or whatever, and then it'd get out of hand if they didn't do that. But on the other hand, the media in general takes jokes too seriously. Remember, I don't know if you guys remember this, but I think Daniel Tosh had like an anti-Semitic joke, and this whole a bunch of websites got mad at him, and they said that he had to apologize. So he apologized. Obviously, he doesn't mean it. He's obviously only doing that because they're telling him to, and if he doesn't, it's going to ruin his brand. You shouldn't have to apologize for a joke, and you shouldn't have. Obviously he's a comedian. He's well known as a comedian. You shouldn't have to make up for something that you said, especially when you're known as for being a comedian. The media in general, they need to learn how to take things a little not as seriously as they do.
I completely agree, but you're talking about free news stories and free money that they can just attack and latch onto and create some sort of media hype around nothing. Like, and that's the point. That's the distinction society doesn't get. There's a difference between saying something that could be serious and taking something from a guy who does extremely hyperbolic, over-the-top humor all the time. You could watch any Tosh special that I saw Daniel Tosh. What the fuck? What's the thing called? Can't remember. He has a really good special, actually. You could take like any line out of there, and some group is going to be upset about it. Like, you're talking about children, you're making fun of women. Like, it's like there's always some social group that's going to feel offended by it. But that's the distinction that I think the media doesn't give a shit about.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Do we have anything more on this subject, ladies? Feel we're pretty milked out?
I mean, I don't know why. I just don't know why she did it. Like,
attention, she's a kid. What does she know?